Let us see how you can create templates for your WhatsApp API using WhatTalk. Click on the View icon, click on Create a Template, and write a template name. You have multiple category options for your template, so I'll explain all the 3 categories. The marketing category is used for sending product updates, offers, and discounts. The utility category is only used for transactional updates, and the authentication category is used for sending OTPs. I'll select the marketing category, select the language of your template, select a header, so the header can be text, image, video, or document. The header is optional, but the body is mandatory. So, for example, I want to send an attachment with my WhatsApp message, then the attachment needs to have a body caption. This is mandatory. If I want to send an image, I need to upload an example of the image, not necessarily the actual image that will be sent when using the template. This applies to videos and documents. You have to upload an example, but you can change the attachment file while you're actually sending the template message. Next, in the body, I'll write an example body. In this body section, you can also add variables. To add variables, simply click on this icon. This will basically add a variable to your body content. This body will have both fixed content and variable content. We have certain fixed content, and this 1 and 2 is basically variable content that can be changed when we are actually sending the message. So, click on Generate Variable Example Fields. You can have more than 2 variables by clicking this option, but you need to provide an example to WhatsApp on what you are going to fill in the variables. Just one example. Mine will be the name, and the product can be automation. WhatsApp AI system would basically analyze the entire message, replacing the variable placeholders with your examples, and analyze your message. So this is fixed content, and this is variable content which can be replaced when sending the message. Next, we have an option to add a footer to our message. The footer is a text message that is light gray in color at the bottom of your template message. At this section, we recommend providing your user an option to unsubscribe or stop their incoming messages. Next, we can add buttons to our template message. This is optional. There are 2 types of buttons. One is quick reply buttons. You can add up to 3 quick reply buttons, and when the user clicks on it, it comes to your same WhatsApp API number as a text reply. So you can have buttons like No More, Stop, or Interested. You can also add emojis to these buttons. The second type of buttons is the call to action buttons. With these kind of buttons, the user will basically do an action, either inside WhatsApp or outside WhatsApp. So for now, there are 2 options: phone number option and website URL option. Phone number option, you can have a Call Now button and enter your number with your country code. Please note that you need to enter your number with your country code. The second option is a website URL button. Here you can either have a fixed URL or a varying one. If you have a fixed URL, simply enter the URL and copy and paste it to the URL example. In case we have an option to add 1 variable to the URL, this variable can be long up to 1,000 characters. This can be used to have different meeting links. You can have your variable here, but you need to add an actual example, something like this. This link will be replaced when you are actually sending the message. Click on Save and Preview. You'll see a preview of your entire template message here. Click on Submit for approval. I entered an invalid phone number, Let me correct it. Now click on Save and Preview, then click on Submit for approval. The approval takes between 5 minutes to 2 days. Until it is approved, you'll see this as pending. Once it is approved, the status will automatically change to Approve. Thank you.